In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get the Zoom meeting ID. Let's keep this simple and clear. Once you're in your Zoom dashboard, look over to the menu on the left-hand side. You'll see a section labeled Meetings. Go ahead and click that. This is where Zoom keeps all the essentials related to your meetings, including your personal meeting ID, often called your PMI. Right on that Meetings page, you'll see your personal meeting ID displayed. Think of this as your always available meeting room, like a dedicated link and code that people can use to find you on Zoom whenever you're ready to meet. It stays the same unless you change it in your settings, which makes it convenient for recurring conversations or quick check-ins. To share it, simply copy the ID. Depending on your view, you might see a copy icon next to it, or you can highlight the number and copy it the usual way. Once copied, you can paste it into a message, an email, or wherever your participants will see it. If you prefer, you can share your personal meeting link as well, which is just the web address version of the same ID. Either way, you're giving people what they need to find your personal meeting room. A quick tip on sharing. Treat your personal meeting ID like a front door. It's fine to give to the people you trust, but avoid posting it publicly. Send it directly to your attendees so only the right people have access. When you're ready to meet, click. Start from that same meetings page. That launches your personal meeting room. At this point, anyone who has your meeting ID can request to join your personal meeting. You'll see notifications as people arrive, and you can admit them from the waiting area if you have that turned on, or they'll come straight in if your settings allow it. Let your participants know you've started, and they can join using the ID you shared. If you ever need to double-check that you copied the right thing, look back at the Meetings page to confirm. The personal meeting ID is clearly labeled, and keeping it handy in your notes or calendar can save you time later. And that's really all there is to it. Go to Meetings on the left, find your personal meeting ID, copy and share it with the people who need it, then click. Start when you're ready, and participants with your ID can request to join your personal meeting. Simple, reliable, and ready whenever you are.